change. Now, the possibility that something will happen, especially something you want. Change of. What are the team changes associated? Forecast. Now, a description of what is likely to happen in the future based on the information that you have now. Prediction. For example, the weather forecast is good for tomorrow. Relatively. Adverb. Meaning something that is relatively small. Easy is fairly small. Easy compared to other things. For example, the system is relatively easy to use. Shower. Now, a short period of rain or snow. For example, more heavy showers are forecast for tonight. Slight, adjective, small in degree, opposite, big. A slight decrease, a slight change of plan. Stay tuned. To continue watching or listen to the same television channel or radio station. Every hour on the hour. At the beginning of each hour. At 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. For example, trains leave the station every hour on the hour. Remainder. Now, the remainder, the part of something that is left after something else had done, had gone, or had been dealt with. Synonym, the rest. The remainder or the rest must be paid by the end of June. Wind chill, the cooling effect of the wind. For example, it must have been -5 with the wind chill factor. Record. Now, meaning highest or lowest level that has ever been achieved or reached, especially in sport. For example, the American team set a new world record in the sprint relay. Keep, lose track of somebody or something. To pay attention to someone or something so that you know where they are or what is happening to them, or to fail to do this. For example, it's difficult to keep track of on new discovery in gymnastics. For example, I just lost on track of time. Calm, adjective, not windy. If weather is described as calm, it's not windy. And if the sea is described as calm, it is still or has only small waves. Typical, happening in the usual way. For example, on a typical day, our students go to class from 7:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Try calculating your budget for a typical week. Gentle, not extreme, strong or violent. Gentle exercise, gentle walk, gentle stroll. For example, a program of regular gentle exercise. Melt the butter over a gentle heat, low heat. Mild, fairly warm. Opposite, cold, a mild climate. We had an exceptionally mild winter last year. Celsius, now, độ C, Fahrenheit, độ F. Celsius, synonym, centigrade. Relief, now, a feeling of comfort when something frightening, worrying, or painful has ended or has not happened. Relief. For example, I felt a huge surge of relief and happiness. Thunder shower. Now, a shower accompanied by thunder and lightning. Meeting. Now, a type of glove. that does not have separate parts for each finger. Freezing, freezing, above, below freezing, above or below the temperature at which the water freezes. For example, it goes well below freezing last night. Cover something up, to put something over something else so that it cannot be seen. For example, her legs were so swollen, she has to cover them up. Bedding plant, garden plants that will look for one season and then be removed. Bulb, meaning a root shaped like a ball that grows into a flower or plant. For example, tulip bulbs. Install for somebody. If something unexpected such as a surprise or problem is in store for someone, it is about to happen to them. For example, there is a real twist in store for you this Christmas. As we left, I wondered what the future held in store. Thanks for your listening.